You know those long Italian lunches in a little trattoria where the meat is slow cooked, the sauce is wine soaked, and the bread just soaks it all up? This is my version of that. I follow Chef John's lead of his Roman chicken recipe all the way to the sauce. Then veered slightly. Instead of sliding the pan into the oven, I poured everything onto a sheet tray and let it roast. More room, more browning, and my favorite part, serve it with rice. Let's cook. I started with 6 large bone-in skin-on chicken thighs, about 2.5 to 3 pounds. After trimming the excess fat, I washed and patted them dry and cut 2 shallow slits across the skin side. This helps the seasoning penetrate and the skin render. In a baking dish they go, and I season both sides with olive oil, salt, pepper, dried thyme, rosemary, and oregano, giving them a good massage to coat evenly. Cover and let them marinate in the fridge while we prepare the rest. Next, prep the aromatics and bell peppers. Slice 1 red, 1 orange, and 1 yellow bell peppers for that gorgeous color. Then slice a large onion. Finally, chop 4 cloves of garlic and prep some fresh parsley for finishing. Simple ingredients, bold flavor. Off camera, I rendered the chicken skin fat and left just enough in the pan to give us a golden sear. Working in 2 batches of 3 thighs, I browned the thighs, supposed to be skin side down over medium to high heat. About 5 minutes until beautifully crisp. Flip and brown the other side, then transfer them back to the same baking dish we used earlier. Repeat for the second batch, and don't rush this part. Browning is flavor. Sauté the aromatics and make the sauce. Add a bit more olive oil or chicken fat as needed. Then add the onions to the same pan. Sauté for about 5 minutes until soft, translucent, and just charred on the edges. Next, make a little well in the center and add the chopped garlic, a tablespoon of capers, and just 1 tiny bit of anchovy. It will melt right in and deepen the flavor. Sauté for a few more minutes until fragrant. Deglaze with 1 cup of white wine and reduce it by half on high heat. Then in go the canned tomatoes with their juice, a splash of water, and some chicken bouillon for umami. Stir, cover, and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Finally, add the sliced bell peppers. Toss to combine and cover again for another 5 minutes until they are tender. Taste and adjust the seasoning. I added more salt and pepper, about a 2-to-1 ratio. Are you surprised? I don't think so. Now it's time to bring it all together. On a large sheet pan, place the chicken thighs evenly, with space between each piece. Ladle the saucy bell pepper and onion mixture between them, pouring that golden tomato broth right over. Then tuck in a few torn pieces of prosciutto between the thighs for that salty, savory edge. Wipe the sheet pan edges clean for a polished finish. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes in the center of the oven. Use a thermometer to check for doneness. 165 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit is just right. The aroma at this point, unmistakably Italian. Just like we remember from meals in Rome or Tuscany trattorias, finish with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley. To plate, scoop steamed rice into a measuring cup to mold it into a dome. Add a juicy chicken thigh on the side and ladle that velvety sauce right over. Rustic, beautiful, and comforting, like Italy on a sheet pan. Thanks for cooking with me. See you next time in Lay's Kitchen, where flavors are without borders. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.